Hey guys, this is Fundo on Unfupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Nairobi is excited about Tushelen birthday. Tushelen, on the other hand, does not want any birthday celebration. MaZulu advised zethulele and Zakithi to step back from the matter of the gas for now. Meanwhile, in Bumbulu, Sebenzile accident confirmed the rumors of gas to the church ladies, and church ladies wants to confront Phakade to give them the work. And Phakade complains to Sebenzile that why he tell the church ladies about the gas on the land. And Sebenzile is shocked to find that Phakade knows that she tell the church ladies. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.